Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will learn how to make a light and dark mode toggle button using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. This is the demo of what we are going to make today. When I click here, so you can see the color is changing of the background. Okay, so what we actually found in light and dark mode. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start with the coding. Here I have come in my Visual Studio Code and I've already created a file named as darkmode.html, and then I will be using the emmet doctype.html, and in the title I will be writing as light and dark mode toggle. Okay, and inside the body let's make the screencast mode on. Yeah, now it's working. And inside the body we'll use an h1 tag, tutorial to toggle between light and dark mode, and then h2 tag using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And then I will create a button with class name toggle mode, and inside the change page theme, which will be the text in the button. As you can see, here I am using the live preview extension. Here live preview, yeah, this extension I've already installed. You can install it and use it. It's very helpful in Visual Studio Code. Let's word wrap. Yeah, now it's look perfect. Yeah, now I don't think we need any class here. Writing here on click, and we will call a function named as change mode. We'll create this function using JavaScript and first style this. Okay, we are done with the HTML, so we will style this now, and we will use the style tag for that. And body padding will giving us 25 pixel, background color as white, color as black, color of the text, and font size yeah, let it be 20 pixel. And now first create the function using JavaScript. Here below the button tag I'm writing a script tag. I'm using the script tag, and I will call the function as function change mode, and no parameters will be passed. We'll create a variable var element equals to document.body, and then element.classlist.toggle dark mode. Okay, here class list will find for the classes in the HTML file, okay, in this document. And here inside the toggle function I'm writing as a dark mode, and since I've used the element.classlist first before it, so in this will search for the class as a dark mode. Since I have not created any class named as dark mode manually, so this is make as true, and the styling will be applied inside the style tag. Okay, so which will be going to do now. So let's do it. Here I'm writing as dark mode, and background color as black, and color will be white. Okay, now I think I should style the button to make it look better. So we'll use the ID as toggle, then hash toggle, border 1 pixel solid, red, and border radius as 25 pixel, no 50 pixel make it, and padding as 15 pixel, 10 pixel looks good. Okay, and now after that we will give font family as cursive and font size as 10 pixel, no 18 pixel. Yeah, now it's look good, and cursor as pointer. Okay, so this is the output as what we wanted. Looks perfect. So this is the complete code. Check description for the source code link, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.